According to the Senior Citizens League, for every $100 a retired household spent on groceries in 2000, that household can only buy about $64 worth today. That is shocking.
Another way of thinking that is if you could get 6 bags of groceries for $100 in 2000, today you're only getting 4.
Yeah, that's less food to eat. That's eating chicken instead of steak. That's eating hot dogs instead of chicken. Guys and gals, if you think Social Security is going to save you, I promise you it's not. The Social Security cost of living adjustment forecast for 2024. The 2024 COLA could be around 3.1%, according to Mary Johnson, the Social Security analyst for the Senior Citizens League, in a news release issued last week. Johnson went on to also say that the Consumer Pricing Index does not accurately reflect the rising cost of items that older Americans more frequently spend their money on, including prescription drugs, food, housing, and dental services, which are generally not covered by Medicare. And also, if you're saving for retirement as a pre-retiree and you're still working, it's a good idea to protect and grow your wealth and have your own retirement income plan, and even consider building your own personal pension. If you've got ideas around that, or you want to get more ideas, again, all you've got to do is visit us at activewealth.com. That's activewealth.com. And we're happy to help you. We want to do everything we can to protect your hard-earned and hard-saved assets. And we wish you all the best. Hope everybody has a very happy and safe Memorial Day weekend. Please stay safe out there. Just thank you again to everyone who is keeping us safe in the U.S. military, whether you're a veteran or an active duty. We appreciate you. Everyone who gave the ultimate sacrifice in keeping our freedom by giving their life to protect us in our wars, and just for the U.S. military, thank you for everything you do for us.